Welcome to 7 Pot Club. I'm Rob.
I grow hot peppers.
I hope you enjoyed last week's music/recipe video. Your feedback has been very encouraging, and we'll definitely do more of those in the future. Today it's May the 1st, time to give you a May Day update on our pepper plants and our plans for the month. 2 weeks ago we had an unfortunate late season snowstorm which left our garden covered in snow. I'm happy to report that the snow is gone, spring is here, and things are starting to green up all around us. Time to start preparing the soil, buying supplies, and cleaning out the garage to get ready for planting. The most difficult part about May is waiting to plant. It's spring. You want to get outside and put plants in the ground. But for peppers, I think it's still a little too early. Frost is certainly possible in the first half of May. And of course, it's going to take a while for the soil to warm up. Some years we've rushed things and planted peppers in mid-May, only to have the weather turn cool and stunt their growth. Now we know that waiting until the last week of the month is the smart thing to do. The peppers are warm and happy in the basement, and we'll spend this month getting everything ready so they'll have a smooth transition to the outdoors. This inspired me to write a little ditty about growing peppers in a cold climate. And by the way, I wanted to mention that the great, or once great, Gibson Guitar Company declared bankruptcy today. They're still going to be in business, but as a much diminished company. And today I'm going to play my 1937 Gibson L7 tenor guitar on this tune. So take a listen, and then we'll have a few updates.
I grow hot peppers in a cold climate because they are something I refuse to live without. And now I sing about my love for plants of genus capsicum, Annum, chinense, baccatum, frutescens, and the rest. Today it is the 1st of May and winter's finally gone away. Inside my plants are waiting very patiently, happy in their basement abode, fed by light emitting diodes, Annum, chinense, baccatum, frutescens, and the rest. Waiting till the last week of May. We'll plant them outside right round Memorial Day. That's when it's safe to plant them in zone 4. That's when it's best to plant them in zone 4. I don't try to rush it anymore. That's when it's best to plant them in zone
4. The other times that we have filmed out here in the garden, it's been like cold or snowing or a blizzard. This is the area where we plant peppers in the ground. I can get about 24 in this area and 12 to 16 in this area. All the rest of them go in ceramic and plastic pots that we just put all over the place, on the stonework in various places, in carts that sit in the yard, and just wherever we can fit them in. Last year, we reserved this area for all wild and bird peppers, and this area had some of the larger mild peppers like shishitos and poblanos and jalapenos and Winks Yellow Hot, things like that. This year I'm going to mix it up a little bit differently. I'm not sure how. Plants did really well in this bed last year. We still have to dig up the stumps and roots on some of these from last year. You can see how thick they are. Some of these plants were several feet high. It was pretty amazing.
I grow hot peppers in a cold climate. capsicum, Annum, chinense, baccatum, frutescens, and the rest.
Thanks for watching. And a special shout out to all of our subscribers. Slowly but surely, you're helping to grow our channel. You know, we post a new video every week, and I hope to see you here next time. For 7 Pot Club, I'm Rob.